May frame na guys. Sus nagkayamukat among balay ron guys. Nagkayamukat kayo nag-asimbol mi ana oh. Frame. Yan na siya guys. Tama lang siya. Tama lang. Waiting sa ano guys, sa POM, hindi pa dumating. Yung box na yan guys, puno na yan. I-send ko yan sa ano, isa Pilipinas. Dito na ulit yung office ko. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our channel Bids Life and the Uis. Ayan guys, unboxing tayo guys from Amazon. Of course, I like Amazon. This is the bead sheet. Ayan guys, oh. Californian design din sheet set. Exciting guys. Oh, need to open this over here. Aray. Struggling me to open guys. Why? Oh my goodness. Over here lang pala guys. And then struggling me to open. But if you click like that, it's very easy. My goodness. Wow! Beautiful color guys. I like this color. Yay! Very nice guys. We need to put our bead. Wow! I think for pillow sheet to. 2 pillow sheet guys. I think this one. Later na guys because I put that over there in the bead. And this one guys. Let's go guys. Put in the bed. I think no need to wash. I think need to wash because look like the smell is strong. Need to wash this first guys. Yeah. Because the smell is strong eh. I need to wash this first. Then put over in the bed. Okay guys. Maybe in the next day na guys. We need to wash this first. Bye guys. Unboxing tayo, guys. Deliver while ago, guys. Ooh! Secret! Hulaan niya, guys. Ano to? Wow! What is this? California Design Din. Thread count 40. What is this? And this one, so very big. Remove natin to, guys. Ay, still have over here. Pilo to, guys. This one. I think 4 pieces. Oh. Premium bead pilo. And this one, guys. This one. I don't know what's this. And this one. Ah, this one, the screw, guys. Screw of drywall anchors. This one, I think. Huh? The pillowcase pala to, guys. Yan. Pillowcase. The color is white. Because only 2 pieces, guys, in the set. I think need to wash this. Because the smell is strong. And that's it, guys. That the pillow we order in Amazon. 4 pieces. Like that pa siya. Naka-vacuum. Let's open. Naka-vacuum siya. Naka-vacuum. Yan. Hinghiyos na, guys. Like that. Ayan na, guys. 4 na pilo, guys. Umorder ng 2 asawa ko nito kasi nga 2 lang yung doon. Yung mats dito 2 pilo lang. Hi guys, unboxing day again. Unboxing again. Oh wow, it's white. The color is white, guys. Wait. Nice. Everything is white. Okay. Curtain to, guys, Parang curtain sa Exciting, guys. Our backroom now is so beautiful. White. And that's it, guys. Dana, guys. Kompleto na ang aming guys. Ang aming bedroom from frame, from mattress, and the pillow, and the pillowcase and the cover. Guys. What? Very nice, guys. Nice. Good night, guys. Nice na siya, guys. Yan, guys. Wow. Kompleto na siya, guys. And this is our back room, guys. Bye, guys, and see you to the next video. God bless you all. Bye. Good night.